Wow, what a great morning for a cup of coffee. Today, I'll show you how to make a terrible tasting cup of coffee, but with minimal energy to save on your electric bill. So, we started off with the Susawalian beans, or as the locals call it, the Susa Walla Kalilian Nella beans. So we used the AeroPress to make our final cup of coffee, but each AeroPress contained 203 grams of water and 15.7 grams of beans to make a brew ratio of about 13. So I'll take you through the process flow diagram so you can copy this at home. I used 125 grams of green beans in the roaster and roasted them to a light or medium roast. This was minimizing energy costs, and using the Susawalian beans made it so it's a more medium roast and less amount of energy. What left was, CO2, chaff, and everything, and we got out 101.6 grams, and we used 90.5 grams. And then we grinded the beans at a size of 10 to make more finely ground beans, so the lighter roast is able to extract more coffee. For the water, we heated 1,168 grams, because we knew the absorption ratio was about 2. We used 24 degree cold water, heated the water using 0.07 kilowatts per hour to 74 degrees. This minimized energy because we didn't heat it up to the normal temperature of 90. We went through an AeroPress for 12 minutes to increase the extraction time to increase the coffee flavor. However, this led to a more bitter taste in our cup of coffee, kind of making it the worst in the lab. But that's fine. You can still try this at home for yourself. We then filtered all 6 AeroPresses into a coffee with a TDS of 1.58. The TDS was too high for us, so we filtered it once again through a normal paper filter to get a TDS of 1.27 and a PE of 13.8 with 0.987 grams of coffee. So now I'll show you how to make a good cup of coffee. You just take, what are these things? You take one of these, Tim Hortons coffee, rub out that thing, and then just click it. And now my good cup of coffee is being made. All right, have a good day.